In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reclassify transactions. QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you've ever discovered that a payment landed in the wrong account, or a bill was tagged to the wrong class or location, reclassifying is the clean, efficient way to fix it without opening each transaction one by one. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few helpful tips as we go. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right to open your settings. From there, choose Reclassify Transactions. This tool is designed to help you make consistent corrections quickly, and it keeps everything organized so your reports stay accurate. First, select the account type where the transaction you want to reclassify lives. Think of account types like broad categories: bank or credit card for cash activity, income and expense for your profit and loss, and other types for balance sheet items. Picking the right account type trims the list and points the tool to the right area of your books. Now, select the specific transaction you want to change. You'll see a list based on that account type. If the list feels long, enter a date range and any other details that help narrow it down. Setting a clear start and end date, or filtering by things like class or location, can save time and help you avoid touching items you don't intend to change. When you found what you need, check the boxes for the transactions you want to edit. You can choose one item or several at once if they all need the same correction. Be thoughtful here. Grouping similar transactions makes your changes cleaner and easier to review. Then click Reclassify. This opens your options to update the selected transactions. Now, you can change the account, class, and location. Moving an expense from the wrong expense account to the correct one fixes how it appears on your profit and loss. Updating the class or location helps segment your results for departments, projects, or stores, depending on how you use those fields. Once you've chosen the correct destination for each field, click Apply. The changes take effect immediately, and you'll see the results reflected the next time you run your reports. If something looks off afterward, revisit the same steps and refine your filters to isolate the right set of transactions. And there you go. That's all it takes to reclassify transactions confidently in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy by reviewing and reclassifying regularly when you spot a mismatch.